Today I'm going to talk about Facebook and which kind of innovation support Facebook value, about the 10 types of innovation, and I'm going to name three tactics of Facebook related to these 10 types of innovation in tactical overview. Well, about the 10 types of innovation, the first one is the profit model, because innovative profit models find a fresh way to convert a firm's offerings and other source of value into cash, satisfying what customers and users want. Facebook applied this in the publicity it offers. The different application different users pay for use them or to buy digital products, making that the product system innovation is exploited with different services and products inside Facebook. Also, network innovation, because in its development, Facebook has acquired different relationships with companies that help it. For example, the publicity company TGV that make different advertisements. The structure innovation also is important because the company try to approach the talent of each employee with the organizational environment to improve their creativity and their efficiency in the creation of new products. The CEO Mark Zuckerberg support with his advices where use the tactic supply chain integration, because coordinate and integrate information are processed across a company or different parts of it, and it's also involved the process innovation and the product performance, because thanks to the work of the complete team, Facebook has innovated in the way people interact with others, making of the social media an unusual business, maintaining the confidence of all of its users, and also these social media make value the time people spend there. Ensure the service innovation, enhancing the utility, performance, and apparent value of the offering. There, the company applied the tactic of conservation, because design the service and products so that end users can reduce their use of energy or materials, because consumers can find anyone or anything from this social media. Through the different contact people can obtain. In addition, the customer's engagement innovation is applicable because the company was created in order to satisfy, in the beginning, the interaction and communication necessities of college students, and then for the entire population and companies. In this part, the companies use the tactic of autonomy and authority, because grant users the power to shape their own experience in the social media, because people decide what they want to public. They have the option to add any person as their friend. They decide which pages or companies they like. They have the option of personalize their profile the way that want and use it how they want. Also, the channel innovation is important because Facebook, being a social media, is easy to access whenever, wherever, if you have internet in different devices like computer, smartphone, ta- tablets. Um, and finally, all this make the brand innovation important to Facebook because it is easy to recognize and to remember for anyone. So we can see that the 10 types of innovation are present in this company. about the digital evolution and revolution. Due to the rapid changes that technology and the internet experience, Facebook will have to handle bigger and better controls on privacy as a priority, and the biggest challenge it will have is to attract the new generation of digital natives. Plus, the more mature the internet advertising you require will be much more punctual. Therefore, Facebook will have the obligation to create services and products that somehow fill the expectations of advertising agencies and develop various applications that meet the different needs of consumers for a purpose and income model. The social network has to continue to behave like a startup because the agility that allows them to take out products quickly without spending many resources. Facebook could fragment and create business units that behave like small businesses, taking products, experimenting and filling the market with options thanks to its high resources. Along with this is pointed to augmented reality and artificial intelligence as the engines that drive the most ambitious projects of this social network. So the machine learning has been introduced little by little in the projects of Facebook and of other technology companies. For years, the company has tried to turn its main social media into a semantic web to get to know in more depth its users, creating a detailed map of the information of the web that will serve to understand what relationship exists between the users and certain objects, places, and events, and so will help their goal to develop a technology that will help them to build a global community. To this end, the company is investing in three technologies that will be fundamental: connectivity, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality. Another important issue is e-commerce that will live an even more important transformation. E-commerce has been one of the fastest growing commercial sectors in recent years. In this, it has had much to do with the evolution of the marketing strategies, the use of the technology applied to the sales, or the greater confidence of the users by the online environment. On a global scale, eMarketers report on e-commerce forecasts up to 2019 indicates an average growth of more than 20% per annum over the next 3 years, which shows as trends show a much more dynamic, intelligent, operative online market, intuitive and powerful. With this, the value of the data will be of paramount importance since the companies already work with campaigns much more segmented and customized thanks to the big data. Knowing many more details and information of their buyers and managing the data much better, thanks to the evolution of the software of management of the data of clients or potential clients, with solution of analytical and monitoring on CRMs, among others. Together with the big data, is trend towards customization of products, allowing brands and companies to offer products almost to measure from company to person. Even with much growth margin, e-commerce purchases on mobile devices are moving forward. The companies already concentrate most of their strategies so that the users can buy from any place and at any time. With this, the social medias will maintain a protagonist role in the online communication of individuals and companies. In relation to e-commerce, networks like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram will also be with greater force than now, a space where users are going to match products and make purchase decisions.